Okay, added a couple more features to the vector database. One is to download using RSS. We can download recent articles. There's only like 10, which I have a lot of articles. So you can, they don't have an API anymore, though it may still work. They used to have one, but they have a download. So I downloaded all the old ones and I used the RSS feed to get the recent ones. So I still have this code here that will get us the RSS feed of like the last 10 articles. And, you know, maybe I'll schedule that once a week or something and get the most recent ones and send those out here to be processed. But also I downloaded all of my posts, and you can see there's like 160. I processed them all, but list them from the directory and fetching them, and then we could run one, get it downloaded, and then we use the parse. This is one of the Python processors to parse that HTML, extract some metadata. We'll chunk it up, and then we could put it to Chroma. I have Chroma running locally as one, and I also have one running on a remote server, unless that server has crashed. We'll see. Chroma's still kind of beta. Okay, so that worked. That's stored on my remote server. I set the custom port. I'll post how you have to do that. It's pretty easy. And then let's see if query works. Ooh, I didn't update my query here. Yeah, we got to switch that to remote as well. Otherwise, that's pretty stupid there. But let's update that. Real time. See if I HTTP transport. I didn't put the SSL on there yet. Again, it's pretty alpha level stuff there. We've got no authentication yet on my local network. Query. I guess we'll just see how that goes. Let's run one, see if I did that right. Oh, I did. See what results we got. Then next is we got to pull this out and use this as the context for some generative AI LLM stuff. And we will do that next. Maybe I'll put that in a different article. But I do like the ability to get to Chroma. I've also been working on Pinecone as one of the options for sending this data. And I found out the Pinecone incremented their Python API, so I need to update these two processors, which I'm in the process of doing. But I need some OpenAI API credits, so I've got to track them down or put up the 20 bucks myself. We'll see. Also, I'm looking at using Elasticsearch for vector database. I have that running. I just have to figure out which things I need to send it to. Other than that, pretty easy, and Chroma is really easy to work with. It's still pretty new. I guess next up we'll do Milvus, but other than that, things are going good. Thanks.